Welcome to Assembly News Now. This is multimedia editor Jennifer Pierce, and here's what's happening with product assembly on January 6th. New technology checks EV batteries for leaks. A robotic system cleans and inspects engine blocks. Toyota invests big in U.S. manufacturing. And for our top story, Hitachi Rail opens a smart factory in Maryland. And finally, humanoid robots complete their trial run at BMW. These Assembly News Now stories after a brief message from our sponsor, Motion Index Drives, a leading manufacturer of rotary, linear, and multi-axis precision indexing devices. Motion Index Drives. Rotary index tables, precision link conveyors, weld positioning systems, tooled tray shuttles, robot transfer units, and much more through your customized specifications. Learn more at www.motionindexdrives.com. Inficon has developed a new leak testing technology that can inspect electrolyte-filled battery cells regardless of their format. The ELT3000 Plus can test any metal ion battery cell, including fragile pouch cells. It is the only system that detects electrolyte leakage directly, rather than through indirect parameters such as pressure changes. Based on mass spectrometer technology, it can find leaks up to 1,000 times smaller than the ones found with traditional pressure test methods. And for our next story, systems integrator Aceta has built a multi-robot system to automate inspection and handling of engine blocks. At the first station, air jets remove any debris left over from machining operations. Next, robots transfer the blocks to eddy current testing and vision inspection stations. Artificial intelligence analyzes the results for continuous improvement. Good blocks are stamped and engraved for identification. Rejected parts are conveyed for further examination and repair. And next, Toyota is investing $912 million in 5 U.S. assembly plants to increase production of hybrid electric vehicles. The investment is expected to create more than 250 new jobs. Toyota will be upgrading factories in Buffalo, West Virginia, Georgetown, Kentucky, Blue Springs, Mississippi, Jackson, Tennessee, and Troy, Missouri. And now for today's top story. Last fall, Hitachi Rail opened a state-of-the-art assembly plant in Hagerstown, Maryland. The $100 million smart factory will produce up to 20 rail cars per month. Here to tell us more is Chief Editor John Sprovieri.
Thanks, Jennifer. The new factory will employ 460 people. It will produce rail cars for mass transit systems throughout North America, including Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, and Toronto. Car bodies are made elsewhere and shipped to the plant for installation of cabs, interiors, electrical gear, and HVAC systems. An overhead crane and laser-guided AGVs move cars and trucks throughout the factory. Robot dogs from Boston Dynamics patrol the factory at night, inspecting rail cars under construction. Using cameras, they report any issues that need correction when workers arrive the next day. The robots can detect defects as small as 1/10 of a millimeter. Hitachi invested more than $30 million in digital technologies for the factory, including additive manufacturing and real-time monitoring of supply chain and manufacturing processes. The factory was conceived from the outset as a digital-first factory. Rather than layering technology onto legacy systems, the assembly line was built on a foundation called a unified data layer. Data from PLM, MES, SCADA, and ERP systems is connected, interpreted, and applied without the need to replace existing infrastructure. This avoids inefficiencies that typically accumulate in older industrial operations. The carbon-neutral facility will get all its electricity from renewable resources, including an array of rooftop solar panels. AI systems monitor and optimize energy consumption. In addition, the plant will operate with zero landfill waste from day one. A unique feature of the factory is its Customer Experience Center, which offers immersive displays and interactive experiences to show off Hitachi's AI technology. The technology employs sensors to monitor the condition of rail cars, signals, and infrastructure to minimize downtime and heighten reliability. AI analyzes data from the sensors to predict and avoid equipment failures. Back to you, Jennifer.
Thanks, John. And finally, 2 humanoid robots have completed an 11-month pilot project at BMW's assembly plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina. The Figure 2 robots from Figure AI ran 10-hour shifts Monday through Friday, accumulating 1,250 hours of runtime. The robots loaded more than 90,000 parts and contributed to the production of more than 30,000 vehicles. The robots retrieved metal parts from racks or bins and placed them into fixtures in an automated welding cell. A conventional 6-axis robot did the welding. The humanoids had to load the parts within 37 seconds and complete the entire task in 84 seconds. They were expected to have a 99% success rate. That's all for this edition of Assembly News Now. For all the latest news on assembly technology, visit assemblymag.com and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and tune in next month for another installment of Assembly News Now.